Hello students, today we are going to discuss the previous topic, being neighborly. I will give you a summary of this topic because why I have taken this decision, because when the group was formed that time very few students were added there in that in this WhatsApp group. So very few and many students have joined very late, uh, and now because of this I have decided to take revision so that everybody will get benefit of this lecture. At least the students who have joined very late will get some ideas about all the topics. So here first of all I have taken the topic of being neighborly. First of all I will tell you the short summary which we can understand with the help of the title, being neighborly. So here lesson has been taught to us that we should be being neighborly with our neighbors or our colleagues. Means here we should not react like the crowd in train. So you know that, have you seen the crowd in the train? Many people are around you, okay, but nobody has care of yours and nobody takes care of others. Okay, everybody is selfish, though they are standing very close, but they are not close to by heart. So this is the problem. So that lesson has been taught that we must be neighborly with others. म्हणजे आपण दुसऱ्याशी, म्हणजे आपण जर शेजार शेजार असो तर आपण शेजार धर्म चांगला राखला पाहिजे. ओके, डेव्हलप केला पाहिजे. नाव हिअर टू फॅमिलीज वेर डिपिक्टेड. फर्स्ट March's family and second family's name is Lawrence family. Okay, in the March's family there were four characters. First mother, then Joe. Joe is a major character, protagonist character. Meg and Beth. Joe, Meg and Beth were the sisters. Okay, means the daughters of mother. In Lawrence family, Laurie and Laurie's grandfather. Means here Laurie's father and mother information has not been given, but here Laurie's grandfather information has been given here. Okay, so let us talk about the summary. What happened? These two houses were located in the suburb area. Suburb area means what? The area which is outside of the city. Okay, so two houses were located outside of the city area, and both the houses were divided into uh, what here, bushes. Okay, and म्हणजे गवताचं असं किंवा बुशेस म्हणजे झाडं छोटी छोटी होती आणि त्याच्यावरनं त्या प्रॉपर्टीज वर डिवायडेड. दोन प्रॉपर्टी, त्यांच्या प्रॉपर्टी होत्या दोघांच्या आणि त्या डिवायडेड होत्या. ते घरं जवळजवळ होती. सो वन डे व्हॉट हॅपन, जो means Joe was observing. Joe used to observing Laurie. He was looking pale. He was looking sad. Okay, he was just. She observed that there was no colorless life. She observed the colorless life of the Laurie. Okay, now she decided to go home. She decided to meet Laurie and just vanish all the grief, vanish all the sadness, and uh, colorless life. And wanted to make she wanted to make friendship with Laurie. Now by doing all the things, means she uh, tried to seek attention of Laurie. Now she threw what here, ice ball towards Laurie, and she threw uh, ice ball towards Laurie, and because of that, Laurie, after understanding something something was third near to the window, and Laurie looked at Joe. Now, in this way, she tried to go close. Okay, she tried to go close with Laurie, and she sought the permission from Laurie, and Laurie told, yes, you can. Means she could come in the house of Laurie. So in this way, she went inside the house of Laurie with kittens and soup, a kind of soup. So that soup, it was a Blerman soup. Okay, Blerman soup. She went into the house with uh, kittens and Blerman soup, uh, and to make happy to the Laurie, and then what happened? She went inside, and she was welcomed by Laurie, and the discussion started. Both of them started talking. Okay, then Laurie started asking the information about Meg and Beth. Okay, and while asking all the information, he became shy, but Joe did not show that she got all the emotions. Now she's was talking on and on. Finally, what happened? Doctor came for checking Laurie. Okay, now Laurie went in his room, and she was just observing the house, and she came below the portrait, and she started observing the portrait. Now, when she was observing the portrait, she said few things, few words, few sentences regarding to the portrait. First of all, she said that this portrait, the picture of a grandfather, was not smart than, not beautiful than his grandfather. Okay, and he was very stern. He was looking very stern like this. So every words and sentences were heard by grandfather, Laurie's grandfather. When she was observing that portrait, Laurie's grandfather stood behind Joe, and when she came to know that it was heard by Laurie's grandfather, so she wanted to run from the house, from the place. She decided once, but finally she changed her mind. Okay, what happened after that? Whatever she thought, exactly opposite behavior she got from Laurie's grandfather. Laurie's grandfather was a friendly, okay, he was a friendly with Joe. He shook hand with Joe. Okay, he welcomed Joe and uh, asked information about his grandfather, mother. So everything, Laurie's grandfather was uh, when Laurie's grandfather was discussing with Joe. Joe was feeling comfortable with Laurie's grandfather. Now, and what happened there? Joe asked information. Joe asked permission from Laurie's grandfather that could she come, or should she come Delhi to Laurie's house for playing. So Laurie's grandfather instantly gave permission. Okay, so what happened here? Joe's intention was completely fulfilled. Okay, Joe's intention means her plan was completely worked, and she wanted to she wanted to make a friendship with Laurie, and she wanted Laurie to become happy person. So she, I think she got success in it. And what happened then next? Laurie wanted also friends of his age, because while discussing with Joe, Laurie said that she wanted uh, reading books. Okay, but in the library, Laurie's grandfather had put, or has Laurie's grandfather has put lots of books of his age, and Laurie's grandfather do not like to read Laurie's level books. Okay, so in this way she got all the problems, and she found out the conclusion that she would go there. Okay, she took permission from Laurie's grandfather to permission to go there, means Laurie's house, and play with him. So this is the summary of this. Now first of all, after listening this summary, just go through all the chapter. Okay, and then very means too much new words are there. The new words are near about 120 to 130 new words are there, because very lengthy topic is there. Okay, so just go through all the topic, and after listening this summary, just go through and try to understand the topic. Okay, and after some time I'm going to take um, a test through Testmos. It is online test app, test online test app. So I will create one of the tests. Okay, and just try to understand this summary. This is the summary, all this is all about the topic being neighborly. Okay, thank you.